But guys, pro tip, if you are looking for discounts on websites and things, always check the terms and conditions. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Woohoo! Today we are trying on clothing. It's been a hot minute since I've done any kind of clothing haul, and I think for my fashion followers, I'm sorry I've neglected you for so long. In today's video, we are unboxing and trying on my most recent Net-a-Porter purchase. When I say recent, I ordered this stuff in March. At the time of filming, it is April. By the time this video goes up, it's probably May. So I ordered this stuff in March. I explained the whole backstory in the video. So that's what we're doing in today's video. It's super exciting. If you are into like fashion, then you will most definitely have heard of Reformation. Before I keep you here any longer, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so I have the box here completely unopened. You guys, I saved the best things for you. You cannot deny that. So we're now going to attempt to open this. I'm super excited guys because I ordered this at the end of March and today is April the 17th. I know I wanted to film a video and I wanted to wait for you guys. Inside the box, I've got my Net-a-Porter receipt. I've got, ooh, we hope you enjoy your purchase. They have given me 15% off my next purchase. That's absolutely perfect. I love Net-a-Porter, they're so great. And they've also given me a perfume sample. I'm not into perfumes, I'm not a perfume gal, but I'll give this one a whirl. And then we have the black paper as always. Okay guys, so that is basically what is in the box. Super excited. So I bought two dresses. Both dresses are from a brand called Reformation. I have heard many great things about Reformation, but for me they've always been way out of my price point because their clothing is quite expensive and I've never been in a position to afford things. I'm sorry guys, I know I talk too much. You guys don't like me talking too much, but anyway, a real quick backstory. Basically every year around like February, March time, Net-a-Porter does a 15% off, 10% off. It's basically a discount on new season things. I always just skip that, but I got a bonus. Ooh. And so I just decided, you know what, let me treat myself, and the 15% discount came about at the same time, so serendipity. But would you believe I actually missed the discount on the dresses? So I was really sad for a moment. But guys, pro tip, if you are looking for discounts on websites and things, always check the terms and conditions, because I was just checking through the terms and conditions to see when the discount had ended and ended up finding another 15% off discount code in the terms and conditions on Net-a-Porter. So even though I missed the new season 15% off, I did get another 15% offer. I don't even know what the 15% offer was. So if you are looking to buy something from Net-a-Porter but everything is super expensive and you can't really afford everything full price, then make sure you check out the terms and conditions. And also if you do sign up to Net-a-Porter, you get 10% off your first order, and they always have like sales and stuff on. I guess it does depend on like how much money you want to spend and what you're looking for and like the price point of things. Okay guys, let's just get into the unboxing. So the first dress that I have is the Reformation Vic ruffled organic cotton blend poplin mini dress. This is originally £190, but I paid, where's my receipt? So I paid £134.58 plus the £26.92 that was the VAT. That's how much I paid for this. It's basically just like a low cut black dress. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh wow, nice. Feels nice. It feels strong and sturdy. So this is the dress. Oh, it looks really short. This is the first time me buying things from Reformation, so I wasn't sure about sizing so much. So for this dress, what size did I get? I got this in an extra small because it looks stretchy, and the model, how tall is the model? I think the model wearing it was like 5'10", and she was wearing an extra small. I am not 5'10". I think on a good day I'm like 5'4". And also because I'm quite petite, apart from my bum is really big, so I'm always conscious about how my body is going to look in dresses. So I just thought, let me get an extra small in this. This is really nice. It's got a nice like cinched in waist. It's got like the puff sleeves. This is almost like, there was that milkmaid trend a couple of years ago, like kind of Scandi style-ish, that was all about like the big puffy sleeves, and I really quite like that. So I love this. I love the ruffles. It's got ruffles going all along the neckline. I love that it's got like a, like where the boobs go, it's got some ruching and some cinched inness. I don't have the biggest boobs, so I don't know how this is gonna appear for me, but you know, we'll see. And this is a mini dress. I think this is gonna obviously be perfect for going out in the summer now that things have tentatively opened up and it's the summer now, we're going out a lot more, so I think this will definitely come in handy. And I love that it's got long sleeves because I do get really cold, so even if it is like a warm, you know, summer spring day but it's a bit chilly, then I think the long sleeves will do really well. They say that this is designed to fit at the bust and the waist, and this will be slightly loose at the hip. This is also elasticated at the hip, very comfortable fit. It's lightweight and slightly stretchy. I feel like a peasant girl. Oh no, but this is so cute. Guys, this is so cute. I look a bit like a milkmaid, not gonna lie, but this is so cute. Oh wow, this is really cute. It's a tad long, but this was the smaller size. So this is the dress on. I actually quite like it. I think my only issue is that when I raise my arms, it's like the sleeves go all the way up, so it's a bit weird. I'm not sure if I want to return it. I don't know, because it does, like, it's so cute. I absolutely love this dress, but there's something about it that I'm like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get some second opinions. I can see how this can be cute and modern. I think if you know me in real life, I love my Supergars. I will just wear this with any Supergar, any colour. That's what I would wear this with. I think you could also wear this with like sandals, flats, pumps, heels maybe, depending on your style. I think this dress is versatile enough to wear kind of with anything. Definitely wear this like to picnics, like lunch with friends, dates with my boyfriend. It's just such a classic dress, a classic LBD. You can't go wrong. I love the ruffles on the side. I think the ruffles give it that extra bit of like feminine edge, and yeah, it is very milkmaid, but it's also very pretty, and I feel like a cool Instagram girl. I'm like, hey guys. No, I'm gonna keep this dress because I think it's really cute and it's nice. Oh no, this is really nice. I do like that this dress is very like, it sticks to your skin, it hugs to your skin, and I feel like my boobs are safe. I don't feel like if I'm running for the bus I'm gonna fall out of this dress. I don't feel like I'm gonna have to keep on touching my chest to make sure the dress is next to my skin. I feel like I can just be comfortable and confident while I'm out and about. It's like low cut, but it's not like ridiculous. Definitely would need to steam this though. It does stick a bit to the back side, so I think, obviously I don't think this is designed for people with big booties, but I think, you know, if you've got like a small derriere back there, I think it should be fine. If you're like me and you're kind of teetering on the big side, just see what you think I look like from the back, and that will be a place where you can judge for yourself. But yeah, I think this is super cute. It's really nice. What a cute dress. Oh my god, Alice. Okay guys, so the next dress that we have is also a Reformation dress. This is the Reformation Ventura floral print crepe mini dress. Why did I say floral like that? Someone please tell me why. This is £106 on the website, but I paid £75 and 8p plus the £15 and 2p VAT, and they say that this is burgundy, but if you ask me, this is brown, but whatever. I again got the size extra small. The model on the website is wearing a size extra small and the model is 5'11", although I have to say the model on the website looks so uncomfortable in this dress because it looks a bit too short. Oh no, in this dress I got a size small, but now I'm looking at it, this is tiny. So guys, this is the dress. It looks so short. It looks like a vest. Do you know what? We're gonna find out how this looks in just a minute. Me, I love a brown dress. I know that some people are very against like wearing the same color as your skin, but me, I love wearing brown. I don't care if it looks like I'm nude. There's something so nice about wearing brown, and I just love the color brown. Well, no, I just love wearing the color brown. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. So when I saw this dress, I was like, I need to have it. It's so cute. The only negative thing for me about this dress is that it is a V-neck, like a tank top kind of dress. And I think I've spoken about this in the past about my funky armpit. That's the only thing that I'm kind of like unsure about this dress, but let's try it on. I am obsessed with this dress. This has got to be my favorite out of the two, and I knew that I would love this dress as soon as I saw it. In terms of my funky armpit, I just realized you cannot see it in this dress. Look, where? Funky armpit where? And this is my funky armpit. It covers everything. Wow. Like, what? You can see the difference. So normal armpit, funky armpit. it completely covers my funky armpit, so I feel like I can go out like this and not feel self-conscious. Oh, love it. Oh, I love this dress. I'm like, what do I say about this dress apart from how much I love it? I think the size I got was the perfect size. I think the small was really good for me. My main reason for sizing up was because of my bum, and the dress looked a bit tight on the model, so I was like, let me get a bigger size, and I'm really glad that I did, because even on the bum, my bum doesn't look really big. My bum's not like sticking out in an uncomfortable way. I think also getting the bigger size meant that it can cover my funky armpit, which I'm so happy about. I love that this is like V-neck, but it's not super plunging. I think it actually comes up a bit higher than the black dress does. I love this dress. I think it just looks so cute. It's so pretty. I love like the floral blossom floret things on it. Like, it's so cute. I think when I wear this in real life, that sounds so funny to say, but when I wear this like in my everyday life, I would wear this with Supergars, just Supergars basically. I would wear it probably more with my hair like this, like more relaxed, a gold earring, like makeup. This is the perfect holiday dress. I wish that we could travel, because this is what I want to be wearing in Sardinia, just like everyday, a casual everyday dress. And I think the length is perfect. Like I said, it's a very like lightweight kind of material. I don't know exactly what this is made of. Alright, so this is viscose and rayon, and the colors, like guys, brown on brown. I love wearing brown. My brown dress collection is slowly but surely growing. I love this dress. It's so cute, and I can't wait to wear it out and about. Like, I'm so excited to have this dress. It's so cute. But guys, comment down below if this dress looks burgundy to you, because the website is saying burgundy. Also, I will have both dresses linked on the website, so you will see what Net-a-Porter has on the website in their images, and you can tell me if you think that looks burgundy, because this is brown. It's as brown as me. I love this dress so much. I think this dress is so pretty. It's so cute. Like, I love it. It's so cute. It's such a cute dress. I don't want to take it off, but alas. Oh, I forgot to say, I literally forgot to say this, but this dress, it's got like a lining thing, so it means that if like me, you don't wear a bra, or you're conscious about your boobs appearing, it does have a lining to protect your boobage, which we like. I think if you're like me and you're a seasoned no bra wearer, you're kind of like not that bothered about not wearing a bra, but if you're new to not wearing a bra, then I think that extra lining is really good, because it will hide your nipples and makes you feel a bit more at ease. Okay guys, so this is us done for the day. I'm just gonna film my outro in this dress because it's so cute. Let me know down below which of the two dresses are your favorite. Let me know if you have ever shopped on Reformation, what some of your favorite Reformation pieces are, your favorite dresses and stuff like that. Let me know. And yeah, these dresses are so cute. If you couldn't tell, this brown one is my favorite. I just love it. It's so cute. It just screams summer to me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.